Here we go, folks. California Endive. David Moen is with us. Oh, excuse me. California what?
Ondiive.
Ondiive.
Say ondiive.
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 Oui.
Yes.
So, we were talking earlier, and in the old days, we used to fly in Belgian Endive, from Belgium.
Yes.
And that's what we sold in the store. But you're growing up, Rio Vista?
We grow in Rio Vista. Been around for about 30 years, actually.
Yeah.
So founded by a gentleman by the name of Richard Collins. He sold the company, so he's farmer in Dixon. But we do this in the traditional Belgium style.
It's a huge process.
It is.
I mean, you gotta plant the plant, you gotta dig it up, you gotta put it in a storage shed. And, I mean, it's all this. It's a big process to get these shoots to grow.
So we say it's so nice it's grown twice.
So there you go.
So we grow a root. That's what we grew first. And so once we grow the root, we harvest the root. And then what we do, we store the root, and then we regrow the root.
And all the leaves from the top of the root they're just left in the field to disc into the ground.
Yeah,
is that correct?
we till it back into the soil, and then we get these and we size them. So there's large ones, small ones, and we store them in a big room at 29 degrees, and it snows in there. It's kind of nice when it's 110 degrees outside.
Oh yeah, I bet,
room,
especially
right?
out where you are.
Yeah. So and then what we do is it goes into these trays like these. So they'll all be together, about 300 of their friends, all nice and together. 3 to 4 weeks, and you'll come up and it'll be this.
Isn't that beautiful? And look how gorgeous they are, folks. Mm-hmm. My goodness, I tell you. And I could eat this. You cut this, you'll get enough like a bag of chips. Mm-hmm. I could just eat it just like that. A lot of folks won't do it, but I've been eating Belgian Endive since it was Whitloff chicory many years ago.
That's why you look so good.
It's the Endive, the ondiive, folks.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
But it's great, and you can use it for so many things. You can use it for appetizers. You can put it on the grill, like cut it in half, put it on the grill, olive oil, salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic, 2.5 minutes aside. And it's easy. It's right next to the steak. And you can chop it up as a salad. I like a red, white, and blue salad, which has blue cheese in it. And it has a little bit like maybe an apple vinaigrette in it. I also put blueberries in it. And it's great for a 4th of July or Labor Day weekend.
Oh, yeah. You know what else I like to do? I like to shred celery root, mix it with just a little bit of, today it's called aioli. Mix it with some aioli, put it on the ondiive leaf, and then some shredded beets and candied walnuts, and eat that as an appetizer too. And
delicious.
Oh, baby, let me tell you, that's good stuff, man. All right, so I'm going to try it now. I'm going to try your ondiive, the one with the blueberries,
walnuts, and
walnuts.
Mars.
All right, here we go.
They good? Delicious, huh? And how easy is that?
It is.
Okay, I can't have you eat alone.
All right, good. See, okay, we're going to eat together. Oh, baby, that's good.
Say ondiive.
All right, folks, California Endive.
Buy your local grocers and buy 2 of them.
Yeah, or 3 of them, because it's always best when you get it California Endive fresh.